Hi, I'm Caroline from Stokke. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to assemble the Stokke Clikk High Chair in under a minute, no tools required. Inside the box, you'll find a seat, back legs, front legs, footrest, tray, harness, and instruction manual. Let's get started. Step 1. Attach the legs. Start by turning the seat shell upside down. Insert each leg into its corresponding slot. The front legs go into the front slots, and the back legs go into the rear slots. With each leg, push into the slot until you hear a click. That means they're securely in place. Step 2. Flip and check stability. Flip the chair upright and gently press down to ensure all legs are locked in. Place it on a flat surface to check for wobbling. Step 3. Attach the footrest. Slide the footrest between the front legs, aligning it with the grooves. For a higher position, insert it with the curved side facing up. For a lower position, simply flip it over before sliding it in. Push inward until the footrest clicks into place. Make sure it's level and secure. Step 4. Adjust the harness. As you can see, the harness comes attached to the seat. You'll want to secure the buckles and adjust the straps to ensure they fit snugly around your child. Step 5. Attach the tray. Slide the tray onto the armrest from the front. Push until it clicks into place. To remove, press the release buttons underneath and slide it out. Final check. Make sure all legs are firmly attached, the footrest is secure, the harness is secure and adjusted, and that the tray is locked in place. Your Stokke Clikk High Chair is now ready for use.